The safety of our friends and loved ones is the highest priority. It's important to check in with each other often. But what do you do in between leaving and arriving? People usually arrive safe without incident. But how can we take safety to the next level?
Of course.
Live Body Cam was designed to solve this critical question. When you need someone to watch your back, simply start the app. Then invite your friends to watch your live feed. Your feed can act as backup for alerting authorities in case of trouble. LBC can be used in other safety scenarios. Use the app as a live dashcam. It can be used by first responders. It can be used to synchronize police video at a crime scene. It can be used by teachers to record their daily progress. Live Body Cam is your one-app solution for personal documented safety and experience recording. You can walk in confidence, knowing you're not alone. The app records in real time, and the video is synchronized with a breadcrumb trail on maps. The rendered videos provide real-time searchable text. You can also share video by emailing your recorded link, and can become important should a situation occur.
Hello? Back off! I have live body cam.
Take control of your personal safety by using Live Body Cam and tracking the time between leaving and arriving safely for an incredible monthly value.